Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on Aster DEX. And with trading, I want to spot trade, so we select right here spot. And then what we're going to do right here is we connect a wallet because we want a wallet to trade with. So we select here connect wallet and then I connect Phantom. It works exactly the same for all the wallets, but I'm using Phantom. So I select right here Phantom and then I'm filling in right here my passwords. Right there, then we do unlock, and then right now this is my account, and then we do connect right here, and now we do here confirm, and there we are. So now we just connected our Phantom wallet right here to Aster DEX, and now we can start trading. So the first thing that we are going to do is go right here to Aster USDT, where we can search for a coin or crypto or whatever what we want to trade. So let's do Bitcoin to USDT right here. Then what you will see here is a nice chart supported by TradingView. So that is great. And then here on the right, you see the order book, and here you see right here your order panel. So this is the place where we can start trading. So right now, what we are going to do is select right here market. Then you see that we can buy it for the market price. And then we select right here and size. Then what you can do if you want to do that, you can click right here on TPSL where you can put a take profit or stop loss on it. And then if you want to do that, you can do that right here with filling in right here the P&L. And then right now we can click right here on buy. But right now we need to deposit right here on our wallet because we don't have money standing on this account. But normally when you have money standing on your Phantom wallet or whatever, you can click now here on buy, and then you created yourselves a position right here on the chart. So right now, first I need to deposit money right here to my account because otherwise I can't do trades right here. So this is how you can trade right here on Aster DEX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao. Fuck man. So this is exactly how you can trade right here on Aster DEX, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.